Hey, welcome back to my Happy Day's been good, but better watch the video today. I can see I've already put pink food dye in this. I'm now putting blue because I want my water snake to have a bit of a tint color to it. Whoa!
What are you making? One thing?
You know them water snake fidget toys you can make out of water bottles?
Yeah.
I just found them. I just found these food dyes, and now I'm going to shake this. Because I love the color purple. I might need some more pink.
That's purple.
That's a really dark purple, if y'all could tell. So we're just going to change the color, and we're going to add some more pink. Actually got to pull it. I thought you had to twist it for a minute. Yeah, you cannot follow, buddy. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and make it rain lots. Okay, yeah, that's a really pretty purple. If you look at it from the light, you can tell that it's purple. Now I'm just going to make my brother's blue. And you don't actually need a lot for this, you know. I don't know why I added so much. I don't know. But I'll be back. Just set you right there. I don't think this is actually edible. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Okay, warning. Contains small pieces that can cause shock and keep away from young children. Yeah, I don't think you can use it to eat. I don't think you use that to eat it with at all. We're just going to add a drop of blue. Like, watch. This is such a tiny drop. Let's hit y'all up again somewhere. Right there's perfect. Watch, just a tiny drop. Like, not even a drop. I hope this is going to be a pretty real blue. Because I'm hoping for a pretty blue. I'm not sure it will turn out as that. I just lost the lid, so. I just laid it down. I was about to say. Oh, that's already a pretty blue. Oh my gosh. If you want it really dark, you can add some more. I think I'm going to add a tint of yellow. Don't mind, but just I might put a. So yeah. I think I might add a tint of yellow because we haven't used it yet. So yeah, we're going to use some yellow. Ooh. What the heck is wrong with me? It's not even open yet. And you don't even need to really add yellow. See? The yellow just really falls down. I'm scared this is going to turn out bad because the colors, he usually likes green, not really. Why is that so pretty? Like if you, right there, perfect angle to get it. Now I'm going to take out to my brother. So we're just going to walk through. I'm actually going to turn this on. Hey Tanner. I made you your water snake color. I used to dye. There you go. There was a blue, but it kept turning dark, so I just changed it to green with like yellow. A pretty yellow. I'm on a dark purple, which I need to add a yellow. That would be really pretty. And if y'all don't know the color it makes, comment down below before I put it in. So food dye does stain if you get it on you. See, I'm joking. I don't know if that's food dye or not. It doesn't look like it. And make sure you comment the color before I start shaking. As y'all can see, it's not changed at all because I haven't shook it yet. I'm going to add some more. Okay. So a lot of people said an orangish color. I don't think. 3 people said brown, so we're going to see. It actually looks black. I didn't want a black one. I mean, it's okay. We're going to see what happens if you add more yellow because it might turn like a lighter. So add a lot of yellow in there. That was so pretty. We're running out of yellow. A lot of blue is still in there, so we're going to add a lot of blue in there. And then we're going to shake that. to know that makes green, so we need to add a tint of pink. But it's not going to make green if it's already black. I don't think that's going to happen. So we're just going to shake, 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 shake. Yeah, it made a black green. That is super pretty. Now the top's green and then it's just all black. That's super pretty. But after this, you have to put it in the refrigerator for it to stay the color you want it. So yeah. Now I'm going to add some more pink because it's like a dark black with the tint of green stuff in it too. So just make sure you don't add too much. Shake, 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 shake. What?
Yeah, your videos in a minute. Your email and address. I mean, your email and password.
Yeah, hold on. I'm still
Go to
making it.
my Chromebook to edit it.
Okay. Now we're just going to keep adding some stuff. Since we have two pinks, we might use a lot of pink, not blue and yellow. We just... It smells weird. Because there's no way y'all could have guessed that color. Just keep shaking. Oh my gosh, no, it's got to be a secret. I know you couldn't see the color. I ain't stupid enough to show it. Maybe y'all did. I don't know. Let's check that. Okay, it's still got a lot in it. Then just add a tip. This, I'm not saying the color, because it's just going to give it all away. Okay, and then we're done. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at that color. Yeah, I still need a lot more yellow because it lightens it up. Actually, no, it doesn't. It makes it a green. A really bad green. I just got that all over May. Oh, this is food dye that comes off. Okay, okay. I see where you're going with this. Okay, there we go. We're talking now. Okay. You can't really squeeze it now, so I'm gonna have to straighten this back out and dump some. Oh, it added it, is what it did. Let's try to get that on right. Because it's gotten so much air in it and stuff, I just about poured that all out over my camera. There we go. I think I put a bit too much out, but it's okay. Because, I mean, it's still in there, right? You still got some. So I think we're okay with this color. Let's just go see what it looks like. And a broader light, which is the brightest light in here, probably. Yeah, that's actually super pretty. Oh, y'all like our painting we did? Like it's around a little bit of everywhere. Oh yeah, it's not over there. But it is right here. And then right there. Yeah. But I really like this color. I'm gonna show you things. Tanner, you like my color? It's a really dark blue compared to yours. Let's compare these. If you're gonna go to sleep, go to your room. You're not sleeping in my room. Tanner, get out. Tanner! I'm just laying down, but okay. You don't get your water bottle yet either. And I really like these two colors. They're super pretty. Yeah, I need some gum. It's like really bad. I only have some pieces left of that. Yeah, we better have that. People may be trying to get that. I'm going to try to make my own poppet. This is not going to work out well, so none of y'all try this at home, okay? So I would prefer you to use a bigger bottle. And if the water's hot, just pour it out. And then you're going to need scissors, tape. I prefer duct tape or hot glue if you have that, but if not, then it's okay. I have hot glue, so I might actually use the hot glue instead. I about fell on something. Car seat. I about tripped over a car seat. We're actually gonna do. How many times am I gonna fall and trying to talk? Get this hot glue. There ain't none in it, but I think I have some around, laying around here somewhere. So. Oh my gosh. Felicia, what's wrong with me? Actually, I do have some in here because I remember. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. No, I don't. Wait, I just got the rethink. No, I don't. I really don't. I'm not lying that time. So yeah, but if you do have something in hand, get that. I prefer you to use that. I'm just gonna sit right here and do mine. Don't mind that, it's one last thing. Get y'all to where y'all can see the table more. Don't mind this, I'm trying to eat gummies. Is there water bottle? Water bottle. So you're gonna take the lid off and start cutting. And if you're a littler kid, I would prefer you to use littler scissors and make sure you could actually use scissors, or if not, have parents help. Yeah, this is a lot harder than it looks, y'all. Oh yeah, I forgot. You have to do this and cut. Make sure you're left with some pieces. I think I just about cut myself. And then it should look like this, and then you're just gonna cut around it, trim it. Get as much as you can. And you can make more than one if you want to. You don't really have to. This is just to do a fidget compilation. Like show your fidgets off, how many you got, which ones are homemade. Yeah, and they'll know which ones are homemade probably. I guarantee it. So yeah. And if you want to do this as a TikTok at the same time, you can. I'm just saying, but I'm not because I don't have TikTok, so yeah. You're just gonna cut around this as good as you can. Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm making a bit of a mess, and if you make a mess, just pick it up and put it in a box laying around. I just got done finished eating these before I started filming this, so yeah. And we're just gonna put them there. Just to help your family clean up. Oh, no, let's try it. And then keep cutting, you know, if you have some excesses of it, whatever they're called, you know. Some of y'all probably know what I'm talking about. Where did that go? I was about to say, and I'll probably use a lot of these, and you lose a lot of them, and I cannot see very well. I'm probably about to get my hand because I can hardly even see, but. I'm afraid to do it in the box where it don't make such of a mess. And these scissors are not good, so I'm just being honest with you. They've been used on a lot of things. Try and get it as good as you can. You can really do it on either side, but yeah, I have brothers everywhere. Hey, y'all, my best friend's Rich. I actually don't think you can cut the end of the water bottle. No, it's actually really hard than what you think. But I'm gonna try, so yeah. What the heck did I just do? I didn't mean to do that. I need to get mostly the sharp pieces off. Okay, just a little, and then snap. But yeah, there's no way that's coming off. Oh, I got it. Any more sharp pieces? Nope, it's actually really thin now. We're already putting tape on this, so it's okay. I would prefer you to cut this off. You can cut a different piece off, and it's got to be a square. So just follow my steps. You're just gonna cut down, like exactly right. That part's not cutting. Probably exactly right wherever you think you're going to need it. And then when you get your two sides, cut your end. And then you're gonna see if it fits or not. If it's too small, you're gonna have to cut out another one. So just lay it down. I don't know which side you put it on. I think I forgot this side, but yeah. That's too small. I just got water everywhere too. No, there's no way this is too small for y'all's. Yeah, it's way too big. So we're gonna have to cut this one off. There we go. You really need a square, you know. And then you have to find tape laying around somewhere. So, yeah. Once in, then you can press it out like this. Watch. You know, I'm really struggling here. I'm probably ain't going to be able to put it on with tape. I'm trying to practice. Gosh. After that, you just tape it, and it should be good, and you can be good popping it. So, yeah, this is the end of this video. So, peace.